Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be repairing this Lenovo Legion 5 Pro that a client sent to us. The client said the screen has a small crack, so let's just give it a quick test to be sure. When we turn it on, we're not getting any picture, but when we plug in an external monitor, we can see that the laptop works, so it looks like all it needs is a simple screen replacement. We're going to start with disconnecting the battery. That way, there will be no residual power when we are disconnecting any cables. To open up the bottom panel and unplug the battery, we need to remove these screws on the bottom of the device. After that, taking a thin pry tool, carefully slide it between the bottom panel and the laptop and gently pry it free. Now we can unplug the battery cable. Lightly press the bottom panel back on so that none of the laptop's internal components get damaged while we work. To remove the screen, we first need to remove the bezel running all around it. To do that, we are going to take a thin pry tool and very carefully slide it underneath the bezel, gently prying it up, being extra careful around the webcam area. After that, we need to remove the tape holding the screen in place. Near the bottom corners of the screen, there is a small tab. Pulling them out will peel away the tape. Now that the screen is loose, we can disconnect the screen cable. Peeling away this tape will expose the cable. Gently pry up the little bar holding it in place, and remove the cable. Now we can begin prepping for the new screen. I'm going to apply fresh double-sided adhesive in the same places as the old tape to hold the screen in place. Next, I'm going to reconnect the cable to the new screen and make sure the connector is fully seated. After that, we can peel the back off the tape and stick the new screen onto the back panel. Now we're going to remove what's left of the tape from the bezel and apply fresh adhesive all around the edges. After that, we peel the tape and replace the bezel. Now that the screen is attached, we can reconnect the battery and give the laptop a final test. When snapping the bottom panel back on, you want to be extremely careful with how much pressure you're applying, because if you press too hard, you could accidentally damage the screen. So this is how you repair a cracked screen on a Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. If you need to source a replacement screen for this model, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.